What's going on, guys? Got this older Pathfinder in that we're kind of just restoring. Put a brand new rub rail on it. Had some glass work done by Jeff. And now we're hanging a brand new motor on it too. So she's got new batteries, all new steering, new hoses, everything. So this thing's gonna look real nice when all said and done. So a little 22, we pulled off a V6 200, just sitting over there over there, and we're putting in an inline 4-cylinder 200. So she's gonna save on some weight, and probably I think it's gonna run a little better with this motor compared to the other one. So yep, we're just gonna check out our trolling motor now, put a new stereo in it, and new batteries, new backrest, or added a backrest. So just gonna check out our trolling motor now, see what's going on with that. But next is gonna be new canvas. We got our canvas guy coming to check out that. So that's what we got.